We are almost halfway through 2026, and if you feel like you've not done enough, let me stop you right there because breaking news, you still have time. Let's go. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Mihika, and today I'm here to remind you of something that even a regular calendar could have reminded you of, which is the fact that we are sitting in the 6th month of 2026. 2026 that just started yesterday. हम उसके छठे महीने में हैं, and yeah, we're in June. We're almost halfway past 2026, and actually the motivation of me making this video actually came from a conversation that I had with a friend जिससे मैं बहुत टाइम बाद मिली थी. And usually क्या होता है, we were just talking about, I was asking her about her future plans, like what does she plan on doing career wise and stuff. And I am used to, with my friends at least, I am used to asking them questions about their jobs, knowing ki okay, like baki sab mein kya chal raha hai, because what I do is completely on a different tangent, right? And because none of my close friends are into content creation or anything like that, तो मैं उनके jobs and all के बारे में पूछती हूँ. But my friend, when I was talking to her, she asked me, so what's next for you? What is the next step for you? Like, what are you going to do to get to the next level? Now, मेरा मुंह तो खुला कुछ जवाब देने के लिए, and I thought words were going to come out, but literally nothing came out. Nothing. I was completely blank. और मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, मेरी थोड़ी सी फट गई, मेरी बहुत थोड़ी नहीं, थोड़ी ज़्यादा, because I feel like I am always doing something to move forward, the next video to post, the next move to make in my business, something. It's always something, and I have a very good picture of what I want, and I feel like a lot of people will relate to this. You have a very good picture of what you want, and this is what I want my life to look like. These are some big dreams that I want to achieve. Some of these dreams I've not even said out loud, but when she asked me what's next, made me realize that कि उसके लिए I have to do something different, and I don't quite know what it is yet. And that scared me, and I felt like I should make this video because I feel like there are a lot of people who feel like this, and I hope there are people feeling like this, because I also saw this post on Instagram where it was like, does anybody know what to do, like in general? I felt so seen, and that led me to reflect. And I figured कि wherever I am now, every little good thing that is in my life, I did not get there by constantly asking myself or pressuring myself by thinking what's next. I took it day by day. I built routines, and that is how all of us got here. We also spend a lot of days constantly worrying, and the days pass you by, but the thing to realize is that the day will pass anyway. तो मैंने ट्राई किया, पूरा एक दिन सोचा what's next वाले क्वेश्चन पे, and then I got to know कि अगर मैं ये सोचती रहूँगी तो द क्रिएटिव आइडिया जो मेरे खुले दिमाग में एनीवेज आता, जो शायद मेरे को अगले लेवल पे ले जाए, वो भी नहीं आ पाएगा. सो नंबर 1, take it day by day. You still have time. Yeah, so I'll give you an example. Okay, this whole entire week I could not get myself to do stuff that usually comes naturally to me, and I constantly kept pushing myself. नहीं कर किया कुछ हद तक, पर भाई इट वॉज जस्ट नॉट कमिंग टू मी, इट वॉज नॉट फ्लोइंग. तो मैंने क्या किया ना, मेरा पूरा बेड बिखरा हुआ था, मेरे कपड़ों का पिरामिड बन गया था साइड में, और मेरी स्टडी टेबल पे 50 चीज़ें थी. मैंने बस सोचा कि व्हाट, आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन दिस अप. तो मैंने सफाई कर डाली, एंड द नेक्स्ट आवर मेरा दिमाग क्योंकि खाली हो चुका था, आई हैड a whole script sort of in my mind, and then I penned it down, and मैंने उसकी रील बना के डाल दी, and I just it happened. मेरा पूरा हफ्ता जो गंदा जा रहा था ना, कुछ हद तक I was able to see it from a good lens. So that is what I mean by taking it day by day, taking it task by task. I hope that helps. Number 2, very quickly, we are going to revisit our vision board. Okay, I have mine right here, and we are going to just have a look and re-evaluate our goals a little bit. Firstly, I want you to notice things that we have been working towards actively and हमने वो कर लिए हैं achieve, ठीक है. Then second, what surprised you? Just think over the months you had so far and think ki what was not even on your vision board and you didn't even want it that bad, and it just completely came around and surprised you. Then just look through or think through your goals and see ki I no longer want this. Like, I no longer want to chase this goal or this feeling anymore. For me, मैं बताती हूँ, I'll give you an example कि the past one or two vision boards इससे पहले, the ones I was making, I was putting things that were very much tied to seeking validation from other people, that I want this person to notice me and that I want to be noticed by this brand and stuff. And I was like, I don't want this anymore. And I also realized this because it was coming from a place of desperation, and I think I just let that go. और मतलब मैं एक एग्जांपल दे ही देती हूँ. जैसे अपने विजन बोर्ड में लगाती थी, लाइक मैं 2-3 साल से लगाती थी, ठीक है, लैक्मे फैशन वीक की ओ आई हैव बिन कॉल्ड, और यू नो मैं भी वीडियो ले रही हूँ वहाँ पे बैठ के एंड स्टफ बैक स्टेज हैं. तो मेरे को अब ऐसा कुछ डिज़ायर नहीं रहा और मैं उसको ऐसे कॉन्स्टेंटली सीख नहीं करी हूँ, तो मैंने नहीं इंक्लूड किया. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि अब मेरे को वो बुला लें, कभी कभी मैं दिख जाऊँ तो मैं दोगली हो जाऊँ, पर मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि वो मेरी प्रायोरिटी नहीं रही. लाइक सो ऐसे जस्ट सी थिंग्स. एंड माई थर्ड पॉइंट इज ask yourself the difficult questions and challenge yourself, like this thing that I mentioned. I asked myself this question ki, do I want to have it? Like, do I want this, or do I want people to see that I have this? कि ओ मेरे को बुलाया है, मतलब is like, is this truly what matters to me? क्या मैं हूँ इतनी interested in the fashion part of things, and am I that drawn to being in that room, or do I just want to be seen there? Because पर इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ड्रॉ दैट बाउंड्री कि क्या मैं ये सही में चाहती हूँ या फिर ये बस मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ ताकि लोग देखें कि मेरे साथ हुआ. देन आई थिंक बीइंग ओपन टू थिंग्स एंड थॉट्स एंड पर्सपेक्टिव्स दैट चैलेंज यू इज़ ऑल्सो अ रियली गुड थिंग. जैसे मैंने कल ये एक चीज़ पढ़ी थी दैट द मोमेंट यू आर डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय एन इंसल्ट and pleased by praise, you're still a slave. And even though in my opinion feeling all these feelings is human, there is still something I can pick up from this. Vision boards don't have an expiry date, that yes, you make your 2025 or 2026 2027 vision boards, but does that vision just abruptly end when the year is over? No. So if something is not complete from last year, you can still revisit that in this year, and it's just never too late, is also something I want you to remember. I want us to remember, basically. Next point, and I love this point, is that 1 month can change literally everything for you. You just have to get to that 1 month. Now, मैं इसका एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, ठीक है. तो मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल इसे देखती हूँ यार, देती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा ही वो है, मतलब अपने एक्सपीरियंस से ही बात कर सकती हूँ मैं. सो लास्ट ईयर जुलाई was the month that changed everything for me. ठीक है, the way I approach life, the way I perceive life, the way मैं अपने videos बनाती हूँ, उसने मेरा पूरा लाइक सब कुछ फ्लिप कर दिया. पर वो महीने तक पहुँचने के लिए मेरा बहुत लाइक अप्रैल जून वगैरह ये मेरे बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं गए थे. एंड जस्ट कीप गोइंग, पुश थ्रू, even where like some months feel like filler months where they are boring. You have to keep doing the same things over and over again. You have to keep showing up. Do that so that you can get to that one good month, and I promise you it's coming. It's already there waiting for you to live it. You just have to persevere, you know. And the moments you feel like the most blocked, the moments you feel like just giving up, if you just get through those moments, भाई मज़ा आएगा. इट विल बी वर्थ इट. कुछ लोगों के लिए वो पीरियड्स थोड़े छोटे होते हैं, कुछ लोगों के लिए बड़े होते हैं. देयर इज ऑलवेज लाइट एट द एंड ऑफ द टनल. यू फील मी? नेक्स्ट, बर्नआउट इज रियल. वी कांट बी हार्ड ऑन आवरसेल्व्स all the damn time. Yes, it's important to push yourself. Even I advocate for that. But you and I both need to realize that rest is not something we have to constantly earn. It might be one night, it might be a week, and it might be much longer than that. If you have the privilege to rest, you still have the option to be gentle with yourself while you're doing your best. Because once you get through this and keep showing up, the best things, I promise, the best things are waiting for us. Next, make a list of things that have helped you these past 30 days or few months or whenever. Think of things that actually put you in a good headspace to start working. Now, it could literally be making a list. It could be trying a new hairstyle. It could be reading a book. It could be listening to your favorite podcast or just deleting social media. Like पिछले June, when I was in a very burnt out stage, honestly मेरे को नहीं पता था कि अब मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, what kind of videos should I make या whatever. I did the 1 week of all social media challenge, and it gave me a little bit of clarity, direction, and everything. So that helped me. That might help you. It might be hanging out with your friends. It might be when you literally work out every single day. It could be anything for you. So anything that puts you in a good headspace, pakad lo usko and fit it into your routine and make time for it. When everything is good here na, everything outside will start to get good. I promise, and the good will get better. And for my last point, my friends, think of a good change or like a realization that January you will be proud of. Like for me, I will give you an example. I have had this beautiful realization that I want to focus on making my life feel good to me instead of it looking good to a third party, it looking good or making it look good for others to see. I want to focus on, and I have this very like एकदम से conviction सी या फिर एकदम से hit हुआ मेरे को कभी तो इस हफ्ते में ही कि I want to focus on making my life feel good. How your life feels to you is and should be the most important. And yeah, this is my realization. Introspect, let me know yours, or just keep it private to yourself. It is your choice, ठीक है. And like let's try to actually hold on to that. पर मैं अगर ये अपने if I was like जब मैं टीनेजर थी और मेरे को बोला जाता to reflect on something that would have made January me proud, कुछ मेरे मुंह से कुछ ना, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आता ना, मेरे मुंह से कुछ निकलता. पर मैं कह रही हूँ, फोर्स करो अपने आप को, कुछ एक चीज़ निकालो. इट इज़ चीज़ी बट इट इज़ दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक इमेजिन कुछ जो चीज़ें चीज़ी हो जाती हैं, यू नो, लाइक हार्ड वर्क एंड डिसिप्लिन, ये अब चीज़ी हो चुकी हैं बिकॉज इतने लोग इसके बारे में बोलते हैं कि भाई सबका एडवाइस आपके लिए यही होता है. पर कभी कभी ऐसे भी सोचना चाहिए कि ये इतनी बोली इसलिए जाती है बिकॉज ये this is what works. Genuinely, this is what actually works when you get down to it and do it in your day to day. जैसे अभी मेरा जयपुर गोवा साथ में ट्रैवल हो गया तो लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि यार ये कितना घूमती है. पर मैं घर पे हूँ भाई, मतलब 2 दिन के लिए गई थी एंड 1 हफ्ते का मेरी पोस्टिंग में गैप आ गया. तो या बट आई हैव बीन एट होम गेटिंग बैक इनटू माय रूटीन बिकॉज अभी मैं रिसेंटली और कहीं ट्रैवल नहीं कर रही हूँ. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट आई फेल्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ गिल्टी जस्ट लिविंग माय लाइफ एंड डूइंग थिंग्स फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड नॉट पोस्टिंग इट इतना ज़्यादा. जैसे यूट्यूब पे मैंने 2 बार नहीं डाला वीडियो, आई फेल्ट गिल्टी. But then I asked myself कि how do I feel Likin about this, about doing all of this and just doing things for myself. Felt good, but because this is something I also enjoy doing, new fun things will be coming. पर मैं वैसे कह रही हूँ कि having your sense of self and your space and the things that nurture you are very important for that relationship between you, yourself and you. अपने बर्नआउट फेज से अभी मेरे को ये एक और आइडिया आया था अपना रूम साफ़ करते हुए कि नहीं, नहाते हुए. Why did I say that? जैसे I used to do this songs of the month thing on Instagram. I am planning to do like a longer version of that across many things. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. And yes, that was it for this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.